Indulge in the ultimate summer treat with this mango cream sandwich soft, fluffy bread filled with rich whipped cream and sweet, juicy mangoes. This simple dessert is as beautiful as it is delicious. Feel free to use any fruits you like, such as strawberries, kiwi, pineapple, grapes, bananas, or even mixed fruits for a colourful twist. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make this viral style fruit sandwich at home using just a few ingredients. Perfect for dessert, tea time, or whenever you're craving something light and refreshing. Let's reveal it. Look how beautiful it turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious treats. Cook for, you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for, you presents Mango Sandwich. Let's get started. Let's make whipped cream. In a large bowl, add ice cubes. Place another bowl over it and take 300 grams chilled double or whipping cream. Add 1/4 cup icing sugar. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix with spatula, otherwise your kitchen will get messy. Now beat well until stiff peak forms. Beat well. Beat until smooth and fluffy. You should whip the cream until it holds on the whisk at the desired firmness level. The cream stands up firmly and holds its shape perfectly on the whisk without drooping. Very smooth, silky texture. Our whipped cream is ready. Transfer the whipped cream into a piping bag. Trim the crusty sides of the bread. I'm using Alfonso mango. You can use any mango. Peel the mango. Feel free to use any fruits you like, such as strawberries, kiwi, pineapple, grapes, bananas, or even mixed fruits for a colourful twist. Cut it into slices. It's time to assemble our sandwich. Place a bread slice on cling film wrap. Pipe whipped cream as shown. Place the mango slice as shown. Cover again with whipped cream. Place another bread slice on top. smooth out the sides with a palette knife. Wrap it as shown. To remember how we want to cut it, mark the direction. By mistake, I marked both sides at different angles. I'll show you the result later. First, refrigerate until set. You should refrigerate the sandwich for at least 1 to 2 hours for perfect shape and clean cut. The cream will hold its shape, which will help you cut the sandwich easily. Now it's time to cut. Because I marked both sides, I cut it from the wrong side. That's why the mango looks small and not centered in the sandwich. Be careful not to make this mistake. Let me show you another sandwich result. Let's reveal it. Look how beautiful it turned out. Feel free to use any fruits you like, such as strawberries, kiwi, pineapple, grapes, bananas, or even mixed fruits for a colourful twist. Do try this recipe this summer and let me know how it turns out for you. Please try it and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.